camping experience is over, my full rating for the experience, I'll give it an 8. I didn't record inside the bathroom, but my main concern was the restroom. Besides some little, bugs, you're in the woods, so you do expect bugs. Besides that, it's pretty clean. The campsite, obviously we are outdoors. There are bugs, nature and stuff like that, so we can avoid that. So it was pretty good. The first night we were there, like I mentioned on one of my videos, I took a shower with one of those spray bottles for gardeners. That was our fault because we were too busy doing different things. We didn't get a chance to use their bathroom, their shower during peak hour, during open hours. So it was our fault, but we improvised. But we did take a shower that first night. The second night we took shower at their facility, so it was pretty decent. We had no problem there. In terms of the site that we chose, it was okay, but the only issues that I had, I also mentioned that in one of my videos, I believe it was the first one, is the bushes that were leading toward the lake. Since we have kids, many of them, they are boys, they don't think logically. I can see where the land, it's hard to explain, but I can see where the land stops and the water begins, because there were a lot of leaves on the pond. So I was afraid that, although both of my boys know how to swim, but I was afraid that they will, continue walking thinking they're gonna step on land, but it's the lake, and I don't know how clean that lake is. So that's one thing I did not like about the site that we choose. However, we did go on a second camping trip, but I'll do another review about that. But while we were there the first time, I did walk around and look at other campsites that were pretty decent. But the one that we chose the first night wasn't as bad as I originally thought. But besides where the land starts and the lake begins, that was my only problem. Bathroom was clean, the area was clean, and I'm surprised I didn't see the video. I thought I recorded it, because when we first stopped there, we got to our campsite, I saw some geese poop, and I thought they were dog poop. Apparently they were not dog poop, they were geese poop. When one of the workers stopped by and they informed us it was geese. So that was one of the reasons I think I titled a couple of the videos City Slickers. So I don't know anything about nature, but it was kind of funny when that happened. But the overall experience at the High Point Park, I would say it was positive. My youngest enjoyed it. He was my main concern, but he ended up liking it as long he was able to fish and look at the stars at night, so he was fine. My oldest, during the day, he is running wild. He does his crazy thing. He cut himself with a Swiss Army knife that he found. When I talk to you, you think I'm talking too much. There's a reason why I tell you stuff. Okay? You don't think straight sometimes.
Me? Me.
Okay, that's why you get yourself cut. And then when I scream at you, you think I'm being mean. That's why you take a bath. You see it?
No, I have.
Let me look first.
Give me your hand. Where's your medicine bags?
Alright, come closer. You clean it?
A little. Let me get a can.
Oh, what?
A couple.
Let me see the finger. Keep the thing away from your... Bring it here. Forward.
Is it all clean now? Which finger is it?
Yes.
Why? How come there's blood on the other one?
Because I touched her.
We have this. Here.
The fire ran out.
Leave it. Just leave it. Okay, first time here, and then this is what we're gonna deal with for the rest of the time we're here.
That is the reason we were telling you. Understand me?
Yes.
It's not a toy. Where is it, the cut? Is it this whole thing, or is it
Yes.
just in there?
Stop, King.
Go, give me. Is there a smaller Band-Aid than this one?
I think that's... Oh, look, I don't wanna drop this. I think that's it.
Shit. Yeah. Let it sit over.
Sometimes when you do think, Michael, when you do things, you don't think rationally, okay? Logically, things that could happen. We're trying to prevent stuff.
This is exactly what we were trying to prevent.
Not for you getting hurt.
We prevent him from getting hurt. We tell him, don't play with it. Jeez. But at night, he's just crashed. So I hope you like my little series of our first camping trip. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.